How to do velocity on CapCut PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get started, I have here my clips, so we are just going to add this to our timeline, and then we're just going to go ahead and try to cut our music first. We're going to go ahead and delete those things that we don't need, and yep, that seems to be okay. Now from here, what I want to do is just start around this part right here, and then this is actually the beat drop. So in order for us to do velocity, we're going to rely mostly on the beat. So from here, what I want to do is to adjust the speed. We're going to set this one to 0.5 just like so, and once we have adjusted it to 0.5, we can go ahead and right click it and then click create compound clip. Once we have created the compound clip, we can go ahead and begin. So we're going to go ahead and add something that makes things exciting. So we're going to go ahead and add some blur effects. So under effects, video effects, type here blur, and there are two blurs that we are going to be adding. One is just a normal blur, this one right here. So yep, from here I'm just going to go ahead and move to 5 frames. 1 2 3 4 5. So here on the 5th one, this is where I am going to end this blur. So go back here, I'm going to set this to 0, and then I'm also going to add motion blur, this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and follow that same thing that we did earlier. Okay, so this one is our motion blur. Set this one to maximum, and then we're going to go ahead and set the end to 0. All right, now here we're going to adjust here. Let's go ahead to around 20 so that we can still see this girl dancing, and also some sort of shadows as she moves along. Okay, so now that we have this one right here, the next thing that we are going to do is start this one. So I'm just going to click the clip here, and then we're going to go ahead and add some beat. All right, there you go. Click this one here, mark beats, and then I'm going to choose beats 2. Alright, so now that we have the beats, we can go ahead and proceed. So basically what I want to do is just cut this one according to the beats, just like so. Click this, and then we're going to hit the speed. For the curve, we're going to go ahead and choose flash in. So we're going to go ahead and click this one so that it automatically adjusts. And basically that's the only thing that we are going to do throughout the video. Cut that one, click this, choose flash in. So basically we are skipping one beat at a time. So go here, cut this, choose flash in, and then I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process until we are done with the entire video. Alright, so we are done adding it for our entire clip. Now let's go ahead and add one more thing. So we're going to head over to media, library, and then we're going to look for this white thing here. Just go ahead and drag it into your project, and then we're going to go ahead and basically cut this one. Alright, so now that we have added one, we're going to go ahead and adjust the opacity to around 60, and then we're going to go ahead and basically click the animation, click out, and then we're going to add a fade out effect. And then for the duration of the fade out effect, we're going to make it so that it lasts the entire thing here. So go ahead and copy that one, paste it until we are done with our entire video. Alright, so we have added it. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this one here. And there you go. That is how you are going to do velocity on CapCut PC.